Today we'll talk about how can you select categories on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you to select your categories. All you have to do inverse. So you just go down here, you click here on categories down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. It's going to show for you a list like this here. Then here can you select all categories you have. If you want to select cinema or TV series and TV films or discovery or environment here or culture and lifestyle. So here in this list can you select. So that's all you have to do. That's all I wish know you I get it. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,